explosive weights are based off of. Okay. Here's your C4. This is made of RDX and plasticizer. So you can mold it, fit on top of things. You can break it in half, you can ball it up, you can do whatever you want with it. This is data sheet or sheet explosive. This is RDX based as well. This is using a lot of breaching, a lot of small arms disposal. You use this connect shots. You can use this as your main explosive. It just depends on what you want to do with it. Use this a lot in breaching as well. Deck cord and your data sheet are your go-to charges.
I have it. Each one's getting 8 feet. Good. Good to go.
We have this extra too if we want to put it on one of the shots.
And lay it on the ground. We're priming this close to safe area. That's right. You're set up. There's 2 rocks behind your right hill that you can use to anchor.
We're gonna prime in right now.
You ready? Yep.
30 seconds.
Go ahead and prime in. Doc, we're gonna go 10 seconds. All right, push in, quarter turn. It's on you, Doc.
Smoke!